I've been dreaming of this world, won't you come along and dream with me? It's picture perfect in my mind, oh how I wish it would be real. Oh, real.
Hello lovely people, welcome back to another amazing video of Merrykinder. Today we are doing homemaking. आज की वीडियो में मैं आपको एक छोटी सी क्रिएटिविटी बताऊंगी कि आप एक लो बजट स्पाइस जार्स या अपने किचन के लिए स्पाइस कंटेनर्स घर में बना सकते हैं. So this year I'm thrifting and hand making all of my spice jars, and I would love if you recycle with me. Let's make aesthetic spice jars in low budget. If you want simple and practical way to upcycle those old jam bottles into vintage spice jars, then this video is for you. Watch the video till the end and make sure to hit the subscribe button, like my video and share with your friends and family. It took me a long time to make them functional. Wash them a day before and make sure they are super dry. You can choose fabric or cellophane that suits the theme of your kitchen. I like brown or beige, so I'm going with that. Fabric can add a rustic or cozy feel, while paper offers versatility for sure. So before you cut the papers or fabric, measure the circumference and the height of the jar, cutting the wrapping material to size, leaving a few inches to overlap. Why DIY suits me a lot? It allows to customize your spice jars to fit your kitchen decor while keeping your costs low. DIY projects allow individuals to express their creativity and bring their ideas to life. It's a chance to personalize items and space according to one's tastes and style. This cannot be done without a poetry. In the kitchen bustling symphony, where spice dance in harmony, with pots and pans, a melody, a culinary odyssey, from sizzling pans to bubbling pots, creating feats, connecting thoughts, with every whisk and stirring spoon, a culinary journey blooms. In this space where flavors blend, where recipes and memories mend, with laughter, love, and savory fare, the kitchen becomes a place so rare. What could be more wonderful than this kitchen poetry? Here I have designed black label stickers on Canva. People nowadays are using pre-cut for the beautiful designs and labeling, but I am not gonna use it because I don't have it. So I just designed and took the printout. Before you design it, take the measurement of all the spice jars. You can go to Pinterest and select what kind of labels works for you. I like black labeling because the words are more visible. You can select any kind of shape. It could be rectangular, circle,